Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that will capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro, the 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam.
And on the right, we have the E-YEEGER dash cam, the Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera.
Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride.
Let's talk about video quality, because that's what really matters when it comes to dash cams.
The Vantrue N4 Pro boasts a mind-blowing 4K resolution in all 3 channels. Yes, you heard that right, 4K. It's like watching a Hollywood movie of your own life. And with its Sony Star VIS-2 sensor, it captures every detail, even in low-light conditions.
Now let's take a look at the E-YEEGER dash cam.
While it may not have the same 4K resolution, it still packs a punch with its 2.5K 1440p resolution.
That's 70% more pixels than your standard 1080 dash cam. And with its f1.8 aperture, it delivers clear and sharp footage, even at night.
Now, let's dive into the features that set these dash cams apart. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes with some seriously cool extras. It has built-in GPS, so you can track your driving route and embed a speed stamp in your videos. Plus, it supports OTA firmware updates, so you can always stay up to date with the latest improvements.
On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam offers smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi and app control, allowing you to preview and download videos directly from your smartphone. It's like having a personal assistant for your dash cam. Let's talk about design, because let's face it, no one wants an eyesore on their windshield.
The Vantrue N4 Pro has a sleek and modern design that won't obstruct your view. Plus, it comes with a strong magnetic mount, making installation a breeze.
And speaking of design, the E-YEEGER dash cam takes the cake with its mini and hidden design.
It's like a spy gadget for your car. Plus, its aluminum alloy shell ensures durability even in extreme weather conditions.
The Vantrue N4 Pro brings you unparalleled video quality and advanced features, while the E-YEEGER dash cam offers great quality and a sleek design at an affordable price.
And that's a wrap, folks.
We've compared the Vantrue N4 Pro and the E-YEEGER dash cam, and both have their own unique strengths. Remember, it's all about finding the dash cam that suits your needs and budget.
Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic showdowns and helpful product comparisons. Until next time, stay safe on the road and happy shopping.